Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you can see that Maggie, or Julie, and Thunder are cleaning each other. It's gonna turn into a fight any minute now. Yep, you see he's biting her ear. Oh yeah, look at the tails. Look at the Thunder thighs. Oh, yep, it's gonna turn into a fight. Oh, it's gonna turn into a fight. Here we go. Here we go. Round one. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? It's the battle. Now, see, Thunder's cowarding. Well, here we go. And it's over. Thunder, did you win? Thunder. Thunder. I had a very good